Are you tired of not making any money online? One expert marketer has just revealed a secret money machine that made them $272 per day in cold hard cash working just 20 minutes a day. It's an extremely unique method that is based on a very real case study. This software has training for a very unique form of targeted traffic, ready and willing buyer traffic. Their method will work for anyone, even with no need to have a mailing list to get started. No waiting, start making money today. No experience necessary, in fact it's newbie friendly. If you want to put an end to the struggling, I highly recommend you pick this up now and start getting results in just 30 minutes a day. Imagine making $272 every day without the need to have a mailing list to get started or any experience. And doing it in just 20 minutes a day. That's exactly what you'll learn how to do when you pick up Blistering. Jason is exposing a top secret formula for making money online that is super easy. Forget about wasting your time with the same rehashed garbage that you're sick and tired of seeing. When you pick this up, you'll be able to start getting results in just 30 minutes/day. To find out more about Blistering, just click the link in the description. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notifications on new videos on new work from home products.